So far, we've been coloring things using the actual color names, like for instance, black or orange or green or blue. But there's a way to get even more specific using hex codes. Hex codes are 6 hexadecimal digits that represent colors. So you can represent any color on the spectrum using a hex code. So I'm going to change this instead of black, I'm going to put the hexadecimal for black, which is just 000000. So the first two zeros are the red, the second two zeros are the green, and the third two zeros are blue. But since it's black, it's just zero for every single one. So let's see what that looks like in the browser. And it's still black. Hex codes can be used to create over 16 million different colors. And that's what we're going to do here. We're going to put in the right hex codes for these colors. So the hex for red is going to be, they're always going to start with the hash marker pound key. And I'm just going to put FF0000. And then for green, we're going to do the hash mark, and it's going to be 00FF00. And then for Dodger blue text, now I don't have these memorized. I'm actually just reading them off. It's going to be hard to memorize 16 million different combinations for colors. So usually you're going to look these up somewhere. There's a lot of websites and a lot of other resources to find the appropriate hex codes for different colors. So for the orange text, it's going to be FFA500. And let's open up the browser and see what this looks like. If I refresh this, and now we see all the different colors. Some hex codes can be shortened. Remember, they're usually 6 digits long, but sometimes the hex codes have 3 sets of 2 of the same digits. For instance, red text, the hex code is normally FF0000. You can see that the first two digits are F, the second two digits are 0, and the third two digits are 0. So whenever there's 3 sets of 2, we can shorten this by just doing one digit for each. So F00. So this F will be expanded to FF, this would be expanded to 00, and this would be expanded to 00. For fuchsia text, we can do F0F. For the cyan text, we can do 0FF. And then for the green text, we can do 0F0. So let's open the browser and see if we got those colors. And it worked.